Yes, so Waaree Energies filed for its DRHP in 2023, is likely to be listed in 2024. Now, the listed Indian solar PV module manufacturers have surged in the past year, and they've surged between 2.11 to 10.9 times. But the potential listing could disrupt and cause some pressure on the Indian listed companies. Now, Tata Power, whose subsidiary Tata Power Solar, the stock has risen 119%. Adani Green Energy, which holds a subsidiary called Adani Solar, has risen 103%. And smaller companies like Websol Energy Systems as well as Installation Energies have risen 600 to 900%. But Waaree, I know a little bit about the company. It submitted its DRHP to SEBI in 2023 and is likely to be listed in 2024. Now, the IPO consists of a 3,000 crore fresh issue, which will also have an offer for sale of 32 lakh shares. Now, how the company plans to utilize is most of the funds will go to fund their capex, whereas the company plans to build a fully integrated 6 gigawatt facility in Odisha. Now, it's key to note that the company already has an installed capacity of 12 gigawatts, which is the highest in India, listed or unlisted, and it has the potential to reach 18 gigawatts by fiscal FY26 or FY27. Now, it also has 12% market share of the total enlisted capacity as per the ALMM list of November 2023, which mandates government solar projects to use modules from the eligible producers only. Now, when you compare to the listed players, Tata Power has a capacity of 4.6 gigawatts, while Adani Green Energy's subsidiary, Adani Solar, has a capacity of 4 gigawatts, whereas Websol Energy System and Installation Energy have a capacity of 250 megawatts each. And then when you look at the financial performance of Waaree Energies, its 3-year revenue and net profit has grown at a CAGR of 86 and 231% respectively. The company has had significant margin expansion as well, and margins have expanded around 750 basis points over fiscal FY21 and FY23. And now when you compare to the listed players, the financials which I'm speaking of, Waaree Energies FY23 operating income was higher than soon to be listed Vikram Solar, Websol Energy Systems, and comparable of that of Tata Power. FY23 operating company also posted a 136% revenue growth year on year, and other listed players posted a fall in revenue in FY23. And when you look at the operating margins, they're comparable of that of Adani Solar. And lastly, when you come to see direct competition, Waaree Energy manufactures monocrystalline and multicrystalline solar modules, and is listed Websol Energy System as the only company with a similar product portfolio. So when you look at the financials of these two companies, Waaree Energies has posted significant growth in its financial performance over the 3 years, whereas Websol has seen declining revenues as well as profits, which led to Websol Energy Services, Websol Energy Systems posting a net loss of 23.7 crores in FY23 versus a net profit of 9.7 crores in FY22.